Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another review. And today's review is all about my top and bottom 2024 concealers. I've only picked 3 in each category because concealers, all of them pretty much I use, but so it really came down to what is the one that reached out the most and what are the ones that they crease so fast, so they were too dry. Let's get into it. And again, this is my personal review. Now, starting with my top picks. First, I love this concealer. This is the one, and the second one I'm going to show you in a bit, but this is the one with the other one that I literally take everywhere with me. I'm talking about the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Concealer. It's stunning. I love this concealer because it is extremely lightweight, extremely thin, does not crease as much as the other concealers because, as I say in all my videos, all the concealers will crease under your eyes. Even the most beautiful, your favorites, they will eventually crease under your eyes because we have facial expressions and we cannot avoid having them. Unless you walk with one face, poker face all day long, then maybe your concealer has more of a chance of not creasing as fast. But under eye creases, and we can avoid that. But there are some products out there that maybe don't let your under eye crease as fast. They will crease, but not as fast. And this is the one for me. Lightweight, creamy at the same time, like a veil under the eyes, hydrating, moisturizing, beautiful. My second favorite, and this to me shares the same spotlight as the Laura Mercier that I've just showed, but it's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now this is a ever so slightly thicker consistency than the Laura Mercier, but yet again does not crease as fast as some other concealers, even though it's slightly creamier, so slightly thicker in consistency. The coverage is beautiful, a lovely medium to full coverage, but it's still looking very natural. Again, crease but not as fast as other concealers, and is really comfortable under the eyes, and it's just beautiful. So yeah, I did not mention the shades, my apologies. So I use 2 shades. So in the Laura Mercier I use both the 1N and the 2N, and in the NARS I use both the vanilla and I want to say cashmere. Let me double check. It wasn't cashmere, it was custard. Yeah, medium 1 custard and light 2 vanilla. Sometimes I mix these 2 together to get the true perfect shade, but these also, to me, it's depending on the season as well. My third favorite concealer is the Stylo Lumière Instant Radiant Booster Pen by Sisley. I love this pen. Concealer is extremely lightweight and thin. It gives like a lovely natural coverage. This is for your non-makeup days when you want to feel like you're not wearing much. This is absolutely stunning. You can even just spot conceal with this and have the extremely natural looking skin throughout the day. Crease wise, it does crease, but I'm not really bothered about because it's all about giving that natural look to me when it comes for me reaching to this particular concealer pen. And I love concealer pens because it's all about that natural, luminous, skincare infused products. Now going on to my least favorites. I'm going to review 2 at once and then the other one separately because 2 I feel like they're going to have the same review. So the 2 I'm talking about are these 2. So the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear. And by the way, by me saying my bottom concealer doesn't mean I don't wear them. It means I don't reach to them as much as the others, but I still use them because I have them and I don't want to leave them to waste. So the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer and the Shade Illuminate Concealer by Tom Ford. Now these 2 share very similar reviews for me. Both of them really feel a little bit heavy under the eyes. They do crease a little bit too quickly. Shade wise as well, I can't seem to get the perfect shade for me, so I went for these 2, even though these 2 tends to be a little bit too warm, but that could be my fault because it's a matter of finding the right shade. So that's really all I have to say about these 2. And then this one is the Le Correcteur de Chanel concealer. Now, this one falls in my non-favorites purely and ultimately only because it's very drying. So if you're looking for a mattifying concealer, this is perfect for you. But if you don't like that matte effect under your eyes, this is absolutely not good for you. It's too drying, it's got that mousse effect. All I have to say is dry, 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 dry. It's just dry. And it does crease, and it's dry. And it does crease, and it's dry. So sorry to say, because I love Chanel, but the concealer, you haven't nailed it. I mean, you do have a beautiful, I mean, Chanel does have a beautiful sublimage concealer, which is beautiful. I did not mention it today because I love it. I love it, but I don't ultra love it. It's got lovely coverage. Sometimes I use it as a foundation alone because that's how powerful it is coverage wise. But it does crease a little bit too fast, that one as well. But it's beautiful. It's very comfortable, smooth. It glides on like a dream. Lovely luminosity. But yeah, Le Correcteur de Chanel, too dry and it creases too fast. Coverage is okay. I like the coverage and I still use it. And that's it for today's video. These are my tops and bottom concealer of 2024. Let me know, what do you think about this concealer? Have you used them before? What is your opinion? I really would like to know. Please sign off down below and put your comment down. Also, any concealer that you use that you want to feature, that I should use, that you haven't seen me using throughout my videos, that you think I should really give them a shot. I do have lots of concealers, but the ones that I use the most are the Laura Mercier and the NARS, to be brutally honest. These two are the ones that I take everywhere, that I use almost every day. In fact, whenever they are on sale, I always buy a backup of it because I know I'm gonna run out of them and I need more. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But also, if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And unless you've done so, while you're here, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel? Click that subscribe button. It will help me a lot. And also head over to my Instagram page where you can find me at Glamstract as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.